Myth: electric cars are worse for the environment than gas cars.
Many believe that electric vehicles, or EVs, harm the environment more than gasoline cars. This myth is widespread, but does it hold up when we examine all the facts? Let's break down the real environmental impact of both types of vehicles and uncover the truth behind the debate.
Production and battery manufacturing.
It's true that making electric car batteries requires more energy than manufacturing a traditional car engine. This leads to higher carbon emissions during production. However, studies show that over the vehicle's lifetime, these initial emissions are offset by cleaner driving, resulting in lower total emissions compared to gas cars.
Electricity versus gasoline, the power source.
Electric vehicles rely on electricity, which can be generated from clean or dirty sources. Even in regions with coal-heavy grids, EVs generally produce fewer emissions over time than gasoline vehicles. As electricity grids become cleaner, with more wind and solar, the environmental advantage of electric cars continues to grow.
Running costs and emissions over time.
Gasoline cars emit carbon dioxide and air pollutants every time they're driven. Electric cars have zero tailpipe emissions. Even accounting for power plant emissions, most electric vehicles have a significantly smaller carbon footprint during everyday use, especially as grids adopt more renewable energy.
End of life, recycling and sustainability.
Battery recycling and disposal are often raised as environmental concerns for electric cars. However, recycling technologies are advancing, making it possible to recover valuable materials from old batteries. Automakers and governments are increasingly investing in sustainable solutions to reduce environmental impact further.
The verdict: which is better for the environment?
When considering the full life cycle, manufacturing, use, and disposal, electric cars typically have a much lower environmental impact than gasoline cars. The gap is expected to widen as cleaner technologies develop. Choosing an electric vehicle today is one step toward a more sustainable transportation future.